The question says that three capacitors of capacitance 2 picofarad, 3 picofarad and 4 picofarad are connected in parallel. What is the total capacitance of the combination? And the second question is, determine charge on each capacitor if the combination is connected to a 100 volt supply. Now the parallel connection is like this. The question is saying that there are three capacitors. We have named it as C1, C2 and C3. They are connected in parallel. Parallel connection means they all are receiving the same voltage or same potential difference as that of the source. So there are certain properties that are worth noting when capacitors are connected in parallel. The capacitors that are connected in parallel has the same potential difference across each other as that of the source. So each capacitor here, C1, C2 and C3 will have a potential difference across each other of 100 volts. Now the second property is that they store charge independently of each other, in contrast with that of in series connection where each capacitor stored equal amount of charge. Now the first question asks that what is the total capacitance of the combination. Now so the C equivalent in this case should be 2 plus 3 plus 4 picofarad, that would be equal to 9 picofarad. And the second question says that what is the charge on each capacitor. So charge on capacitor is given by Q equals to C multiplied by V, where C is the capacitance and V is the potential difference. Now each is having the same potential difference of 100 volts and the capacitance varies as given, that is of 2, 3 and 4 picofarad respectively. Now similarly we can use this formula C multiplied by V to find out the charge in each capacitor, and we will get as 200 picofarad, 300 picofarad and 400 picofarad. Thank you.